Welcome to Unboxing Nature. My name is your host, Animal Insanity. Alright, I was just peeling apart this rotten log, looking for maybe a lizard or a grub or a big old beetle, and I found a big old spider. Do you see it? Do you see it yet? He's right there. Yeah, the big thing on his abdomen is an egg case. So it's a big old female. Now, I am definitely not gonna grab it. But I am really, really close to it. This ain't Brave Wilderness, and my name ain't Coyote Peterson. Alright, I'm gonna back up. Wow, I was close to that spider. Ah! You can definitely see how big it is. I kind of want to see it from the front. I want to see what its mouth parts look like. Alright, stay right there. Do not lunge at me. That is pretty cool. Well, you can see I disturbed her so much, she dropped the egg case. And then I got her to climb up on this piece of wood. But here's the thing, I know where the egg case is. I'm going to put her next to the egg case and see if she picks it back up. She lost her babies. But I really don't want it crawling on me. There's the egg case. Wonder if she could smell it? I wonder if I could just hand it to her. There's probably hundreds of spiders in this. This is as big as a bird egg. Contact. Yes. You could tell she recognized it. All right, we're going to get one more look in the sunlight, and then I'm going to put her back in the log. Man, it's a cool looking spider. Spider insanity. All right, let's go back to this rotting log. And everything will be fine.